even cute. I hate to say it. That's cute.
That's a Momo.
Oh.
It's not Elmo.
So I got her a doll.
Yeah, there's Elmo on there. Open it
I got
up.
her a doll.
Okay.
You got her
In the
doll.
car, but I wanted to wrap it and give her the Blizzard machine too. Now, does the Blizzard machine? Did what's the name? Get her the Blizzard machine.
I don't even know what the Blizzard machine
good.
is.
Perfect. Then it's a done deal. Perfect. Look. Oh, just what you needed.
Wait,
How did she know that?
when you open it.
I know. I swear he said that the dishes off. Come on.
He did.
Oh, okay. Wow, look, huh?
That's a real present.
Thank you. Oh, look. Oh, look.
Oh.
You are funny with that joke. Are you throwing it to everybody?
No.
Come on.
I'm getting 4 Blizzard machines. I'm getting them for those twins.